Alright, I'll be right back.
Much later.
I feel like Diesel Creek right now. It's been like 3 months since I picked this thing up. The only thing I did was start it one more time to move it from where it was to a new spot because it was in the way, and then it ended up being in the way in the new spot too, so it got shoved in the woods here. So I've only started it twice since I've had it, and today I would like to actually work on it. So what's exactly wrong with this thing? Actually nothing. It's actually got a good seat. It needs a good wash, so that's what I'm gonna go do now. We're gonna go give it a clean. Only real thing wrong with it is, last I checked, the oil was extremely full, which is never a good sign. The mower deck doesn't work because the tensioner pulley spring is broken, so I want to take a look at that. Other than that, everything else works. It's got the 6-speed gearbox. Let's get this thing washed is the first thing, because I mean, she's pretty dirty. I'm sick right now, so I can't really smell anything or taste anything, so that's not super helpful. So that's full right there. It's all the way up here. All right, whatever. The battery's completely shot on this thing anyway. Do we get power out of this battery now? Let's get this engine running before I kill the battery. That should be neutral. How could this go wrong? Try letting it charge for a tad bit. So I need something better. We'll do the old one end here and the old other end here. So now I'm going to put it on boost. Alright, you're not supposed to leave it on for too long. The starter doesn't want to turn the engine over. And I would chalk that up to it being way too full of oil. Well, that took some work, but she's finally in the barn. Now I could probably wheel it back a little bit if I want to straighten it out. Alright, so next let's get this oil drained. There she is right there. gonna make sure the spark plug's all good. No, it's not covered in oil. And then we'll try starting her up. Jeez. I mean, it's pretty dirty. Give it a little wipe down. Okay, so I fixed the plug wire, got it all hooked back up. I'm about to put the jump pack back on the battery and see if we're getting spark now. Yeah, I think I feel it. I think that our decompression switch is still working, I think. Pretty hard to tell. So let's get the valve cover back on, get the plug back in, and try it again. Okay, so the mower deck delete is complete. Let's get this thing put back together, get some air in the tires, and go take it for a test drive. Guys, well, it runs good, it drives good. There's no brakes whatsoever, but who needs brakes anyways? Well, that's gonna wrap this one up. Yet another revived lawn tractor, destined for the scrapyard, saved, and now taking up space in my backyard. If you guys did enjoy this video, well, there's plenty more lawn tractor videos on my channel, so you can check those out. Well, that's all I got for this one. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe because it really helps out the channel. I'll see y'all in the next one.